Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. So guys, in today's video we are going to be making a simple, easy, sharp, quick now egusi soup. You know the way like you enter the kitchen and you don't want to waste any time. I'm in the mood today. Like I don't want to waste 1 hour. I don't want to waste 1 hour 30 minutes. I just don't want to waste time. I just want to get it done and go and sit down and relax. So today we'll be cooking sharp, easy, quick egusi soup. This egusi soup is not gonna take any time. Like I refuse for it to consume all my time today. So guys, I will take you guys over there and I will introduce you guys to our ingredients for today. I'm telling you, if you're that kind of person that doesn't like to waste time in the kitchen, this recipe is for you, because your girl doesn't want to waste any time in the kitchen, but I still want it to be yummy and delicious. So let's go over there. Let's get started. So guys, this is our ingredients for today. So I have spinach, I have egusi, I have onions, both of them are onions. I have salt, my jollof chicken, I have crayfish, I have no, not curry, we're not using curry, we're using thyme. I have thyme, scotch bonnet, Maggi, palm oil, and I have meat. So what I normally do whenever I'm cooking meat to make something, I normally boil extra meat and then put it in the fridge for a day like this, whereby if I just want to make a quick jollof rice, I can just take it out and make my quick jollof rice. Or if I just want to make a quick soup, I just take this meat out from the fridge and then make my quick soup, and that means that I'm not waiting for 40 minutes or 1 hour sometimes for the meat to cook before I begin the soup process. So yes, we're going to be using this. So I have big sweet pepper and onions in here because I want to use this to cook my fish. So I have this fish. We're going to be boiling this fish and then use it. Why I like using fish when I'm cooking quick meal is that the fish does not take time. You just boil it literally for 10 minutes and this fish is ready to be added into the soup. So we're going to start cooking our fish. So that is our fish. We're going to start adding ingredients in our fish. So I'm going to add this onions. I'm going to add 1 Maggi. I'm going to add a little bit of the jollof chicken. I'm going to add thyme, and I am going to add salt. Okay, so after that is added, I'm going to put my stove on, right? But then I'm going to blend my pepper. So I'm going to add a little bit of water in here and blend the pepper, the sweet pepper and the onions. So guys, after blending the sweet pepper and onions, I'm going to add it in here. And I am going to cover it up and let it start boiling. So guys, while the fish is boiling, I am going to add my oil in the pan. And I'm going to allow that oil to just steam up a bit. So guys, I'm going to add my onions because I don't want the oil to be too hot. So now guys, I'm going to add my egusi after frying the oil. After frying the onions for like 2 to 3 minutes, I have added my egusi. I'm going to fry the egusi for like 2 to 3 minutes as well. So guys, I am going to add water in this egusi now because it has been frying for like 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, I am going to cover this egusi. I'm going to cover it and let it simmer for 10 minutes. And while the egusi is simmering, I'm going to check on the fish. It's soft enough now, so I'm going to take it. I'm going to off the stove and take it out of the stove as well. So guys, this is after 10 minutes. I am going to add the meat and the meat stock in it. I'm going to stir it. And I am going to cover it for another 10 minutes. So guys, after another 10 minutes, we are going to add our fish. I'm going to put our fish in there. I'm going to rinse the pan with a little bit of water and I'm going to add it in there. All right. So now I am going to taste for Maggi, salt, and then I'll also add my scotch bonnet and my crayfish now. So I'll taste for Maggi because I use Maggi to cook the fish and I use Maggi to cook the meat. So I'll taste for Maggi and salt and I'll see if I need to add. Okay, I need to add a bit of Maggi. I need to add a bit of salt, but not too much. So maybe first of all add my crayfish in there. And I will mix it. I add one Maggi and I'll add a little bit of salt. So I'm adding a half a spoon of this, so I will mix again. I'm mixing it now very gently because I don't want my fish to break into pieces. Okay, I'll add my scotch bonnet now. I just added my scotch bonnet. Okay, I'll add a tiny bit of water. I'm going to cover now for another 10 minutes. So I cover it for another 10 minutes. So guys, after another 10 minutes, we're going to see if we can turn it gently without breaking all our fish. Okay, we turn it gently, and now we're going to add our spinach now. So I have washed the spinach. I'm going to add it in now. Oh, look at the face of that egusi soup, guys, and the aroma is just to die for. So I'm going to see if I can stir it gently without breaking our fish. And I'm going to taste it again and make sure the salt and Maggi is yes, it is. So just stir it gently for now. And I'm going to cover it for another 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes, just to let the spinach cook a little bit, and this soup is ready. So guys, after another 5 minutes, look at the face of that soup. Like, ewo, this is where this recipe is going to end though. I can't wait to dive in. I don't want to turn it too much so the fish will not start breaking and the bone will be everywhere. Very juicy, guys. Very juicy. So guys, this is where this quick sharp recipe is going to end. This egusi soup literally took 30 minutes to make. It's a process where you're gonna start boiling meat and not just preparing meat first before you it will take an hour or an hour 30 minutes to make, you know. But if you're not preparing your meat first and you have the meat already, this recipe took only 30 minutes. Guys, I rest my case here. We are absolutely done. I reduced the light so you can see the face of this egusi very well. Can you see the face of it? Hey, I can't wait to dive in now. So guys, this is where I'm going to end this recipe for today. So guys, this egusi soup was super quick, super easy to make. There is no excuse now for you not to be able to make egusi soup that easy and that simple. So yeah, I can't wait to dive in. It smells so wonderful and so yummy in this kitchen, so I can't wait to just dive in and demolish the whole thing. So yeah, this is where I'm going to end this video for today. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Subscribe. So I always forget to introduce myself. I need to get to the habit of that. So my channel's name is Simply Natural. I do food recipe, mukbang, what else, chit-chat, vlog and natural hair videos. So if you like all that, there's so many videos up in my channel to watch. So if you like all that good stuff, why don't you subscribe and stay tuned to my channel. And guys, if you're new here, thank you for watching, and please subscribe on your way out. And to my old subscribers, you guys are definitely the best. So thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next one.